Many of you have the same question that I have in mind, and that is, okay, we have it, but what have we done? And hopefully that question will be answered after today.
It's been a decade. Has the Philippines done enough? It has built a coalition and initiated what it's called the transparency. Are we doing the right things? And what opportunities on the other side of the coin, what have we missed?
So far, none of these four countries is willing to accept an agreement with China that would be inconsistent with the Arbitral Award.
If it's lie after lie after lie after lie, why do you believe them still?
The lesson for China here is very clear. Coercion produces concession. One day we would wake up, the 9-dash line is a reality already.
Do you still trust China?
No.
Why not?
My belief is that those who believe the lies were receiving dark money.
We simply insist that no one claims what is lawfully ours. We must therefore stand as unwavering guardians of UNCLOS and the 2016 Arbitral Award.
At the end of this afternoon, I hope, or at least the hope is that we will all have that one direction to tread on, that one path with regard to this issue.
The problem with our position now as diplomats is that because of President Duterte's position in 2016, he almost obliterated everything that we could have used.
I never deny the fact that the entire 6 years of the Duterte administration, they tried to downplay and also silence the efforts of the people on the ground to talk about the Chinese aggression.
But this does not mean it has less weight. It does not mean it is not binding or it's less valid. And the starting point, remember the starting point of the presentation was consent. This consent is also the source for the binding nature of awards.
That the Arbitral Award is just the first step. It's not the end, but it's the beginning. We fully understand that, and it's meant to be a basis for talking to China. But you could see that it really rejects completely the Arbitral Awards.
The 2016 Arbitral Award, rendered under UNCLOS, is unambiguous. The so-called 9, now 10-dash line, has no legal basis. It affirmed that maritime rights must be derived from law, not from force, fiction, or fabrication. It is just ironic that China, while being a signatory to the UNCLOS, has consistently refused to recognize the ruling of the UNCLOS-based tribunal.
Aggression is rising and not receding, and silence only invites more of it. The more China escalates, the more imperative it becomes to expose every single incident to the world.
China does not approach the South China Sea as a problem to be solved, but as a strategic space to be gradually controlled. And we can only recognize that if we make use of our institutional memory, and we must learn the lessons or the right lessons of history.
Together, as Filipinos and as citizens of the rule-based order, we will defend what is ours and what belongs to every nation under the law.
West Philippine Sea,